Hey, what's going on folks? Lloyd here, back again with another unboxing video. Okay, so I've been unboxing like Apple devices lately, one with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so if you guys haven't seen that, click that video icon right there. And then the latest one was the AirPods Pro. Now I got the latest Apple Watch Series 6. I'm gonna be transitioning to the Apple ecosystem, so I might as well, get the Apple Fanboy Starter Pack. LOL. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. Just gonna pull this tab right here. Okay, I think there's like a pull tab right here. Okay, there we go. Alright, cool. So, let's see, open the box. Presented with this nice little shenanigans of graphics. Yeah. Oh, looks like this is the watch band right there, and I suppose this is the watch and possibly a charger inside. Let's go ahead and get started with the band first. I got the 40mm, by the way, guys, so it's pretty big. I have a Fitbit and I don't really know the size, but my Fitbit's pretty small, so this is what you guys would get. I got the stainless steel version, so I have like the white band, but I bought a what do you call that, Milanese loop and kind of like my watch right here. And you got the manuals and all that stuff, I believe, and then we have the watch itself somewhere right here. All right, here's the Apple Watch. Not yet, kind of, but yeah. And all right, here is the Apple Watch Series 6. Not bad. Right, inside the box is of course more manual stuff, I suppose. And then here comes the charger itself. Now I've seen other unboxing videos of the Apple Watch Series 5 and Series 6, and they're saying that the Series 6 doesn't have a charging outlet thing. I actually don't remember if it comes with it, but I don't mind because I have so many sitting around. Yeah, that's pretty great. What I really like about the Apple Series watch is that the bands themselves are so easy to change, unlike the Fitbit. So what I mean by that is you literally just slide it kind of like that, and then it will just slip on and then just snap like right there. Oh, it looks like I accidentally turned it on too. Let's get this bad boy situated, and there you guys have it, Apple Series 6 watch. Pretty easy. Now I'm just gonna get to the setup part and show you guys literally how to set it up. Alright, now for the setup of the Apple Series 6 watch. You just basically push this little button right here, and that should turn on the Apple Watch. Just wait for it to load. Okay, now that it's loaded, you'll see the screen. Basically, it says, there's an English there that says, bring your Apple Watch closer to your iPhone or something. So I'm just gonna unlock my iPhone right here. You should see that screen right there. Press continue. Set up for myself. Set up for family members, so I'm setting up for myself because it's mine. And then, so what you're gonna do is you see this little ball looking like right there. So just kind of scan it, and then that's what happens. Yeah, that's so cool. So it's gonna update now, and here's the update for the Apple Watch, which is the latest one, watchOS 7.1. So I'll come back once this update is done. So I forgot to mention to you guys that while you're waiting, you should probably just put your Apple Watch in the charger, because that's required in order for the update to successfully install. Alright, so now that that's done, and since I had the Apple Series Watch 3 back then, I will just restore from backup. But if you guys are new to the Apple Watch stuff, then you would want to click on the setup as new Apple Watch. But I'm going to do the restore from backup. Okay, just agree to terms, signing into your account, keeping it plugged in, shared settings, okay, bold and text size, continue, reduce motion, continue, Apple Watch passcode, not right now, enable, yes, blood oxygen, that's one of the new features, keep your Apple Watch up to date, okay, emergency SOS, okay, lock faces, yep, watch syncing, all that good stuff. Okay, let's wait for it to sync. Okay, so the setup is now complete. And here's my old watch face, which I will change. But anyways, tell you guys more about the Apple Series 6 watch right now. So I just finished setting up my Apple Series 6 watch, and so far I am loving it. I love everything about it compared to my previous model, Apple Series 3, as well as my Fitbit. Definitely a lot of improvements with the technology when it comes to fitness watch, smartwatch, and all that stuff. What I really like about the new features is the ECG and the blood oxygen monitoring level. I've never had that before. I've never seen one before, and I've never tried that before. And it's really astonishing just to kind of see that in real time. Now, some quick tech specs about the Series 6 watch is got the new S6 processor, which promises slightly better performance, roughly 20% than the previous models that they got, and it can also charge a lot faster than the previous models, going from 0% to 100% in about 1.5 hours. I know there's a lot of other features that I haven't explored yet with this watch, but I'll post a review sometime in an upcoming weeks or months or so and tell you guys if I still like it or not. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't done so. It'll really help me with the algorithm and whatnot and keep this channel growing, and subscribe to as well if you haven't done so yet. I upload every week or so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.